Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Chevy Silverado tailgate handle. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a socket set, likely with a 10mm socket. Make sure you have your new tailgate handle ready to go. It's also helpful to have a small container for screws so nothing gets lost during the process. Working in a well-lit area will make each step much clearer. Now let's remove the old handle. Start by opening your tailgate. You'll see an access panel on the inside. Carefully remove the screws holding it in place. Once the panel is off, you'll gain access to the handle's internal mechanisms. Locate the rods and any electrical connectors attached to the handle and gently disconnect them. Finally, unbolt the old handle from its mounting points, usually 2 or 3 bolts, and remove it. With the old handle out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new handle into the opening, ensuring it aligns correctly. Secure it in place using the bolts you removed earlier, tightening them snugly but not excessively. Next, reconnect the rods and any electrical wiring to the new handle. Double-check that all connections are firm. Before replacing the access panel, test the handle's operation several times to ensure it latches and opens smoothly. For our final steps, reattach the tailgate access panel, making sure all screws are securely fastened. Give the tailgate a few more tests, opening and closing it to confirm everything works perfectly. You might consider applying a small amount of grease or lubricant to the moving parts of the new handle and latch mechanism. This can help ensure smooth operation and extend the life of your new tailgate handle. You've successfully replaced your Chevy Silverado tailgate handle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.